Mrs. Vaughn buys a new doormat. A picture of her new doormat is shown below. So we have what looks like a rectangle. Its length is 3 feet. Its width is 2 feet. What is the area in square feet of Mrs. Vaughn's doormat? Well, according to a formula sheet, the area is going to be length times width. So we can call 3 the length, and we can call 2 the width. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do length, which is 3, times the width, which is 2. Let me get my colors. I'm trying to make this all pretty. 3 times 2 is 6. Now, when you're finding the area, you take your unit and you square it. So this is going to be 6 square feet. Now, the nice thing about this, guy, is they don't need us to say square feet. They just need us to say 6. So the answer for this one is B, 6 square feet.